Okay, well, making some sausages. Sausages! Okay. Gonna run this stuff through here, put a knot on him. The balloon knot. Balloon knot. Okay. So I wanted to get it started, get it set up so you didn't see me screwing anything up. Alright, here we go. Am I going to be in the way there? I think my arm might be in the way. Okay. I'll work over the top. I wanted you to see the thing, so I'm going to finish the rest up, and because I can't get my arm around it, I want to be sure that you can see it. So, bye, sausages. Okay, well, I made up my sausage. I guess it was 6.6 pounds and 14 ounces, so we're just shy of 7 pounds, and that's it. Cha-ching. That's the sausages. All right, well. I gotta refrigerate it, then I'll freeze it. And worked out really good. I used these casings over here. I had one that had some holes in it. There's the stuff, you gotta rinse them. I'm just gonna resalt them and put them in a cooler and make some more sausage, I guess. I was thinking about making some seafood sausage. I haven't made that in a while. But anyway, natural hog casings, we're your strongest link. This stuff seems to work pretty good, so that's the thing. All right, thank you. I'll post this when I can.